Inaugurate by DDG, NSSO and Director, Economics and Statistics.
Supervisors and inverters from 10 districts under my control. I welcome you all to this 2-day training program on price data collection through Copy mode. आपने जानते प्राइस स्टैटिस्टिक्स से डाटा आम कलेक्शन करछे कृषि भित्तिक द्रव्यर मूल्य विभिन्न पशुपालित पशु पक्षी मानक उत्पादित मूल्य एवं समान खाद्यर मूल्य तथ्य सब संग्रह करछे प्राइस स्टैटिस्टिक्स एवं कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स सीपीआई के मध्य में डाटा कलेक्शन करछे घर उपभोक्ता मान व्यवहृत होता
who has taken all the effort to attend this training in the best possible way. And my dear friends from different districts, DDG, National Samples, NSO, FOD Bhubaneswar, Mosty. He has been very kind enough to grace this occasion as chief guest. And my colleagues from Department of Fishery, Department of Agriculture, Department of Civil Supplies, they have joined here. Really this is a great occasion that the departments, the line department officers have joined. The purpose of this training is to digitize the entire process of data collection of the price statistics. Actually the DES is doing a great job and it collecting farm harvest price of 136 agricultural commodities, and this data collection is taking place across 116 marketplaces, 116 sites, farm sites across the state of Odisha. In each subdivision, 2 farm sites have been selected. Then producer price of agricultural commodities similarly for 136 items agricultural commodities are collected. Then similarly wholesale price of 136 agricultural commodities that are also collected. Producer price of domestic animal and birds. Producer price of animal products, meat, milk, fish, egg, byproducts. Wholesale price of implements. Retail price of consumer goods and services. So on 7 types of price the data are being collected. And you know that price is the indicator of economy. When the price is moving, whether it is increasing or decreasing, it is impacting the life of common man. And government is very sensitive to price rise because it affects the lifestyle, living standard of the common people of the state.
Joint Director DES Kotak Range, representatives from Department of Agriculture, Department of Civil Supplies, Department of Fisheries, my colleague from SRO Kotak, Mishraji, and all persons, district level officers who have assembled here for this workshop on price statistics. As a statistics, DES is not the first timer in this field. Actually, since 1975, the DES is collecting the statistics on prices on agricultural and allied products. In fact, agriculture is one subject in which state government has to take their responsibilities, and that DES is carrying out with all its sincerity. This training program, like any other training program, gives a good understanding about the methodologies, about the concepts. Though it is a old thing, but many new things comes to our knowledge.
मुग नहले से बिरी करूथिबो कि बिरी न करे कोळद करूथिबो तण करी सेठी आपन को हमें फिल्टर ऑप्शन देबो आपन जाई करी मुग करूची माने आपन जाई करी सीरियल्स भीतर जाई करी मुगटा को क्लिक करी तार प्राइस टा आपन भरि परबे पल्सेस भीतर को जाई ता प्राइस टा आपन भरि परबे सीरियल्स रो सेंती सीरियल्स भीतर को जाई आपन ता प्राइस टा भरि परबे आपन को एंटायर शेड्यूल आउ क्रॉस रोल डाउन करबो पड़िबोनी दैट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर एडवांटेजेस इन दिस कैपिटल प्लेटफॉर्म थर्ड वन हमें कोन डेवलप करू फ्यूचर रे ना आपण मानकु ओडिया रे भी ऑप्शन आसी जिवो वर्तमान हमें इंग्लिश रे देइछु इंग्लिश रे आपण ओडिया रे ऑप्शन आसे एवं पिक्चर भी आसीबो जोटी बेले बेले आसे कंफ्यूजन की कोळथ मुग ए सब देखिया पे ता पिक्चर भी हमें फ्यूचर रे ऐड करबो सेकंड थिंग कोन ऐड करिवो ना हमर आपण जो प्राइस कलेक्शन करे जाउथिला हम मन कोन देखौथिलु ना 10% वेरिएशन बोली हमें नउथिलु बट दिस टाइम हमें कोन करिवो गोटे 2 वर्ष डाटा कलेक्शन आसिला परे हमें वेरिएशन देखिबो 10% इज नॉट फिक्स फॉर ऑल द आइटम आलू आपनकर 10% जदी वेरी करबा ता माने नै कि धान आपनकर 10% वेरी करबो आइटम वाइज हमें वेरिएशन विल सेट दिस एवं अक्रॉस द रीजन आपनकर सेंट्रल रे कटक रे जो रेट रे बाइगण वेरी करबो कोरापुट रो माने नै कि से रेट रे बाइगण वेरी करबो सो अक्रॉस द रीजन अक्रॉस द आइटम्स विल सेट द लिमिट एवं सेही लिमिट रे हमें आपन को से ऑप्शन भी देबो हार्ड चेक दबोनी जदी आपन का प्राइस वेरिएशन कला सर्टेन परसेंटेज रु सेठी आपन गोटे आसीबो नोटिफिकेशन इट इज abnormal प्राइस डू एग्री फिल इट
of the official statistical system, providing a foundation for policy planning, inflation monitoring, and understanding market dynamics in both agricultural and non-agricultural sectors. Traditionally, the Directorate of Economics, Statistics DS Odisha has relied on pen and paper personal interviews (PAPI) for collecting farm harvest prices, producers' prices, and wholesale prices across various feeding villages and market centers. While this method served its purpose in earlier decades, it often pose challenges such as delayed data collection and processing, manual errors, duplication, and inconsistency in data quality. Recognizing these limitations, the DS has now embarked on a comprehensive digital transformation journey under the World Bank supported P framework as part of the Strengthening of State Statistical System Initiative. One of the cornerstone activities under this transformation is the adoption of computer-assisted personal interviewing (CAPI), which aims at improving data quality, timeliness, and operational efficiency. For the first time, the Directorate has launched data collection of price statistics using CAPI Tool Service Solutions platform, which enables real-time, geotagged, validated data gathering through tablets and mobile devices, enhancing capability of field surveyors. To leverage the Service Solution platform, an instruction manual on price statistics data collection has been developed, which provides comprehensive and step-by-step instructions useful for the price enumerators and supervisors for accurate and real-time data collection. It offers comprehensive guidance on various price statistics, objective, coverage, periodicity, concepts and definitions, survey protocols aligned with the generic statistical business process model (ESBPM), step-by-step usage of survey solutions for enumerators and supervisors, district-wise schedules and market coverage, and frequently asked questions. This manual aims to ensure standardization, accuracy, and efficiency in the entire price data collection process, such as improved data quality, faster processing, and enhanced data availability for evidence-based planning. I extend my sincere appreciation to the Additional Director, Deputy Director, and Statistical Officer of Price Statistics Division, the PMU of TS and PMC team for their sincere efforts in bringing out this manual, for their dedicated and collaborative efforts in bringing this manual to fruition. I urge all stakeholders to refer to this manual as a guiding document for training, implementation, and supervision of the price data collection process using CAPI tools. Any suggestion for future refinements are always welcome.